In one of the most incredible turn of events and a moment that will surely go down in history, multiple pharmaceutical companies that are allegedly responsible for the current opioid epidemic in the United States have been brought to trial. It's a strange and triumphant day in the fight against the opioid epidemic, an epidemic that causes more deaths by overdose than car accidents every year. According to Working Partners, U.S. District Judge Dan Polster is in charge of the massive court case consisting of 600 lawsuits lodged by various government entities. When combined, the suits are demanding billions of dollars to confront the U.S. opioid epidemic. The plaintiffs allege that for over 2 decades, drug makers have widely advertised their opioid products as virtually non-addictive, even when prescribed for a patient's long-term pain management. Of all the opioid manufacturers on trial, one company stands out the most: family-owned and operated Purdue Pharma. In a specific lawsuit against them stemming from Massachusetts, the family was accused of profiting from the opioid crisis by aggressively marketing OxyContin. The trial date is set to begin March 18, 2019 in Ohio, with other dates following according to state availability, some scheduled to start in 2020. Ultimately, the earnings of the lawsuit against the opioid manufacturers will be used to cover the growing costs to treat opioid addicts. This is because rehab for heroin and drug treatment for addiction to prescription drugs is not cheap, but absolutely necessary. Putting opioid manufacturers on trial is the first real step taken to address the alleged source of the opioid epidemic.